Jamaica to the world. Woo! You don't know. Jamaica! Excuse the excitement, my viewers. But me tell you straight, once Jamaica win, this mongrel try and sit still. My tail start work before my brain catch up. Yes, sir. Jamaica sweep through the men's 100 like broom in a yard. Gold and silver, pack up nice in our pocket. Me no quick for side with your Max. But me can't lie, ya talk straight truth. Anywhere upon the globe, man train till them body mash up, eat clean, rock the brand new crepe, and still, despite all that, the only thing them catch are the back view of the green, yellow, and the black.
This time they're away. It's a decent start by Lyles, but not a brilliant one. Thompson's in the driving seat here, but watch Seville on the near side. It's ever so close. Seville from Thompson. Seville to finally deliver on all that promise from all those years. Bitterly disappointed in 22, bitterly disappointed in 23 and 24, but this time he's come out on top of the world.
And they're away first time. Great start for Melissa Jefferson-Wooden. Jefferson-Wooden into her running in the middle of the field, but she's got company. Clayton going well to her side, but Melissa Jefferson-Wooden streaks away in the closing stages.
Respect Tina Clayton, silver medal now, but trust me, the goal already write your name. It just take wrong bus this year. But Max, me have to say this on live TV, between you and me, I know I would have smoked you in at the 100. But Billy, you can't even run from the goat teeth them. You just barely manage to get away. Wouldn't I know better than Mr. Chin? Why you have to go there? Why you have to go there, Max? I don't know, pay me enough. We have settled this on the track. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below.